In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Smart Feature on Google Drive. If you want fewer automatic suggestions, less personalization, or simply more control over how Drive surfaces files, this quick walkthrough will help you switch those smart features off. I'll guide you from the Google homepage to the final confirmation, and I'll share a few helpful pointers along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, look for the small grid of dots, often called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that grid to open the menu of Google Services. From there, choose Drive to open your Google Drive. If you prefer, you can also go straight to your Drive using its direct link, but using the Apps Launcher keeps everything consistent with the steps we'll follow. Once you're in Google Drive, focus again on the top right corner. Click the gear-shaped icon to open the main Settings menu. In the small menu that appears, select Settings. This opens a panel or window where you can manage how Drive behaves, including privacy and personalization options that influence recommendations. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy. Click Privacy to view controls related to how Drive uses your activity and content signals. Here, find and click Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Depending on your account type, this may open a new tab, a pop-up, or expand additional options. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the controls that manage smart features tied to your Google Workspace experience. You'll now see a toggle switch that controls these smart features. Click the toggle to turn them off. When disabled, Drive will reduce or stop showing certain proactive suggestions, like recommended files at the top of your Drive home, and it may rely less on your activity to personalize what you see. This can make your experience feel simpler and more privacy-forward, though you might notice fewer shortcuts or automated hints. After toggling the setting off, make sure to save your changes. Click Save to confirm. If the Save button is grayed out, double-check that the toggle actually changed state. Once saved, your new preference should take effect. If you don't see an immediate difference, try refreshing Drive. Some changes apply after a reload. If you're using a work or school account, note that certain options might be managed by an administrator, so you may see limited controls. That's it. You've turned off the smart feature on Google Drive. If you ever want those suggestions back, just return to the same place and flip the toggle on again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tailor Drive to your liking.